So hi, my name's Sunil Madhu. I'm the founder and CEO of Instnt. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Finovate. And this is my Chief Product Officer, Justin Kammerman. 2 years ago, on this stage, we brought the industry and the world the first ever customer acceptance platform that's fully managed by an AI. Since then, we've helped numerous banks, credit unions, fintechs, e-commerce companies, and others onboard more good customers for good, some of them growing their top-line revenue over 300%, reducing their operational costs by 30%, and shifting tens of millions of dollars of lost liability off their balance sheet. When we ask our customers how to describe Instnt, one word that keeps coming up is Instnt's a game changer. We've helped businesses shift lost liability off their balance sheets. We help them sign up more good customers without friction. But our customers told us, today, each one of your businesses offers various different products and services to your customers. These products and services are often offered by different lines of business, operating in silos. So, as a consequence, when a customer who signed up for one product, like a checking account, for example, goes and signs up for another at the same institution, like a credit card or a loan, that same customer has to be subject to another sign-up process, another KYC verification, and all of that friction that comes along with security and risk and compliance management that all of your institutions are required to do. So they asked us, is it possible for us to onboard our customers for every single product or service they access with just one click, eliminating all of the signups, eliminating the need to log in over and over again with two-factor authentication, passwords, and whatnot? Can we get the customer to that product or service with one click, and at the same time be able to satisfy our KYC compliance requirements, be able to satisfy our IT compliance and security requirements, and reduce the exposure to fraud? So today, we want to show you another innovation and earn our keep as a game changer. We want to introduce you to Instant Access. Instant Access is a solution that allows your customers to access your products and services with one click within the same domain or across domains, while retaining your ability to control KYC compliance, fraud prevention, and friction reduction. Justin's now just logged into Acme Bank. This could have just as well been your bank. He's signed up for a checking account, and he filled up a sign-up page supplying his personal information. You're all used to this phenomena. Instnt, in this case, helped Acme Bank process that information, KYC check Justin, and accept him. In accepting Justin, Instnt also contractually shifted up to $100 million of fraud loss that might come out of Justin's account anytime in the future if fraud occurs. Now, everything's pretty normal here. You're all used to the sign-up process. You're all used to landing pages. Now, an interesting thing on this landing page is this QR code. Instnt generates a unique QR code for every customer that's been accepted, and the business can display this QR code on the sign-up flow at the end of it, or you could shoot an email to your users with that QR code. You can even show that QR code in people's profiles. When the customer scans that QR code, an embedded, white-labeled identity wallet that Instnt creates, which is added to your application, essentially allows Justin to obtain the verified credentials that were checked and verified by Instnt on behalf of Acme Bank, and pull those credentials to Justin's wallet. Justin didn't have to know anything about blockchain. Instnt uses Hyperledger Open underneath this as the blockchain to do this. Instnt produces a fully white-labeled wallet which can be used along with any third-party applications, and Justin's got control of his identity now in a decentralized fashion. Right there, in the blink of an eye. Justin's now in control of his own data. This is a lot of stuff people have been talking about doing. We've actually just shown you how to do it. Now, what can that user do with that verified credential, you might ask? Well, Justin's going to come back to Acme Bank, and he's going to log in by simply scanning that QR code. And right there, Justin's being asked for a consent request to share from that base of information that was KYC'd and verified the necessary piece of information required to log into this particular product or application at Acme Bank. Justin doesn't need any passwords. He doesn't need any multi-factor authentication, hardware, software, none of that. All he has to do is scan a code. The same technology is available via a clickable link. That's great. Justin's been able to now truly frictionlessly access Acme Bank's products and services with one click. What happens if Justin now leaves Acme Bank and goes to a different service provider, in this case, Apple Mart, where Justin's going to make a payment? Justin wants to establish an account at Apple Mart, but he doesn't need to sign up anymore. By making the level of assurance for the particular risk for which Justin was accepted at Acme Bank now portable in this decentralized fashion, Justin's able to access products at Apple Mart at the same level of assurance of risk by simply scanning that code in Apple Mart, sharing his verified credential, providing Apple Mart the necessary pieces of information about Justin required to KYC and accept Justin at Apple Mart. From Justin's perspective, he just scanned a code and it has now literally opened a new account at Apple Mart. So there you have it. Bring your customers to your products and services with one click without sacrificing your risk, compliance, and security requirements. Thanks, everybody. We're Instnt.